Steve Spector here with Rafael Knuth on the final day of the OpenStack Summit, and we're with Duncan Johnston-Watt from CloudSoft, the CEO and founder. Can you tell us a little about your company?
Of course. Hi, Steve. So CloudSoft is focused on application management, specifically around cloud. So we have some tooling that lets you model applications and then attach policies to those models, and then at runtime implement those. And key for us is not just deploying an application, which there are 101 ways of doing that, so why create another way of doing that? But it's actually about the ability to actively manage that application on an ongoing basis.
And I noticed that here at the OpenStack Summit, you guys have been busy with a project, I believe it's called Heat.
Absolutely.
Can you tell us a little about your CloudSoft's relationship to Heat and what that is?
So Heat's been in existence for about a year now, and the core team, contributed by Red Hat, has done a tremendous job creating a CloudFormations compatible way of creating templates. So these templates allow you to design applications that can then be deployed into OpenStack. Ourselves, Rackspace, and IBM have all come to the party here to really discuss with that core team extending Heat as Heat sort of matures, so that it can basically take on additional templates and additional blueprints that move beyond just plain vanilla AWS compatibility. And I have to say, the team, fantastic. They are really open to this and really up for this. And so Adrian Otto, who's one of the rackers here, he put together a proposal. Alex Henneveld, our CTO, then enriched that proposal, really trying to come up with a DSL that will encompass many different representations. So if you want a DSL that maps more to Tosca or more to something that Rackspace are doing, or if you want to have a way of expressing AWS compatibility, all will be possible with the new extended language and model within Heat.
So can you give us an example when you talk about application, like what would be the kind of application that I would deploy, and so it'd give me a sense of how this works?
So for us, it's got to have a reasonable degree of complexity. So when I say application, I'm thinking of something like an Hadoop environment. So Hadoop is not a single app running in a single VM, clearly. So the idea behind the work that we're doing is allowing you to capture the structure of a complex composite application, such as an Hadoop environment. So we've done work with Cloudera, with MapR, and now with MarkLogic. So MarkLogic, they're a different animal, but again, it's the same idea. They have a NoSQL database. It's made up of many different moving parts. So to us, it's really about, I would call them enterprise class applications fundamentally, and big data platforms. Those are the sort of key areas for us. So we love complexity, and we like dealing with it so that you don't have to.
Great. Well, thanks again for taking the time, and be sure, if you're watching this video, go out and check out CloudSoft. They have some neat technology. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you.